I have absolutely zero experience with this, so do not take any of my words as advice. Please do not. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube video. Evan here. Today, since my channel, it's mostly workouts, some flying, and a little bit of money, I thought I would talk about my next money venture that I'm doing, which is investing in stocks. So I'm sure a lot of you guys know what that is, and I decided to invest in some stocks, see where it takes me, just kind of like learn what happens, like the pros, cons, like the do's and don'ts and stuff like that of investing in stocks. Because I've seen a lot of stuff around where they're pretty good and they can also be bad at the same time, but high risk, high reward, or high loss. So the more risky you are, the more potential you could win. So what I did, I got my bank account, or my investing account, and I invested in a couple stocks. I think I put like $2,000 or so, my drone money and stuff into this investing account, just to kind of like play around with it and see what happens, see where it could go. So I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos, doing a lot of like research on like what stocks to invest in, all that kind of stuff, like how to do it, where you should buy and stuff. And I have absolutely zero experience with this, so do not take any of my words as advice. Please do not. If you guys have any advice, I would love to hear it in the comments, because I could possibly use it, and that would be just great. But I'll kind of talk you guys through my initial investments as of a couple hours ago. First investments of my life, and kind of just see where they take me, see what happens, and I can like let you guys know what happens. So I think it was 6 total investments I played, or things I own now. So the first one is AirBNB. My mom has some experience, and she was saying stuff like invest in stuff that's gonna grow, that's gonna like blow up. So I was thinking, and she recommended like cruise ships and stuff like that, because like during the summer, right now it's spring, so during the summer after COVID, that all should be on the rise, because a lot of people want to go on vacation and stuff. So Airbnb, I invested in that. I think I have like $500 in there. And after looking at the chart, by the way, I have no experience, so don't listen at this, but I was looking at the chart and the graph and all the numbers, and it seemed pretty low. Each share, the cost of each share seemed pretty low, so I decided to go in with about $500, just see what happens. And I'm not day trading. I'm just gonna invest and leave my money in there for a while and see what happens. If it goes down super low, I don't have a game plan, whatever. I just wanted to put my money in there, see what happens. So I have Airbnb. I have about $500 worth of that. The next thing I got is Coinbase, which is something to do with the cryptocurrency. So like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and all that stuff. Coinbase is like the first ever cryptocurrency company on the stock market, and cryptocurrency's been blowing up recently. So I was like, all right, Coinbase was pretty low, so I invested in that too. Hopefully, the Airbnb and Coinbase are the ones I'm like most hopeful for that I'll just blow up, because they were both pretty low. They both have a pretty high potential. So I was kind of looking forward to those. I just want to kind of watch those and see what happens. The next thing I invested in was Carnival Cruise Ships, because over the summer and hopefully like the rest of the year, a lot of people are going to be going on cruises, because they all got canceled last year during COVID. So a lot of people are going to be buying, and it's going to be going back up. Looking at some of the stuff with Carnival, it was a super high price, and then during COVID it dropped down, and now it's slowly building back up. So I bought it here before it's building it back up to where it was. So hopefully that one goes up too. By the way, no experience, so do not listen to any of this. The next I did were S&P 500 stocks, like some sort of index fund, I think. And what those are is, it's a company that invests in a whole bunch of other companies, I think. Don't really know how to explain it. Like I said, a complete beginner. But basically, it's supposedly very steady. It's slow increasing, but very steady, slow increasing. So I have a couple $100 in 2 of those. Supposedly very low risk. It should go up, and should go up pretty slowly, but should go up. Like I said, no experience. I feel like I said like 10 times already. But that's what the S&P 500 is. So I have 2 of those. I have Coinbase, Airbnb, and Carnival. And those are my investments right now. About $2,000 worth of investments in the stock market. First ever time investing. If you guys have any tips or any stocks I should invest in, and if you want me to make more videos about this stuff as I learn, put more money in there, see what happens, lose money, all that stuff, I will definitely make videos about that. But let me know if you guys have any advice, what you want to see, and hopefully this goes good. Hopefully I can see where it goes. Leave a lot of money in there for a while, and hopefully it goes up. It could go down, definitely the risk going down. It's all just a gamble. You just put the money in there and see what happens. There's no one can predict it. People can kind of read the chart and guess what's going to happen, but no one has like a sure prediction of anything. So definitely just a gamble, just going for it. Yeah, so $2,000 in there. It's raining pretty heavily right now. But we'll just see what happens. So I'll make some more videos like talking about the stuff and following the journey. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.